Kaspa continues to see further breakdown moves after breaking to the downside of this ascending trend line that I have here on the charts. And at the time of this recording, we are now holding above a horizontal line of support above the 0.08189. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakdown move scenario to the downside, basing my analysis on the additive structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, where I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.13229, where you can see that we got that initial drop in the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts, an area that gave us a rejection to the lower side in the formation of these wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.08786, an area that we fully maximized in a breakdown move that gave us a low below the 0.079996. And having seen that breakdown move to the downside, over the weekend we saw a bit of a bounce to the upper side in what I have been terming as the formation of the wave 4. And the most ideal target areas for the wave 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of this wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, and that is between the 0.1 and the 0.09525, which is the area over here. But you can see that we have only managed to get a shallow pullback over here. We didn't quite fully maximize the target area for that wave 4 to the upper side. And if by any chance in the next coming hours we continue seeing further breakdown moves, and maybe at some point we lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into resistance, and we also break the significant low we made below the 0.07985, then I will be expecting a massive breakdown move in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of this wave 3 to the downside. And on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.05959 as my first target area to the lower side. So in the next coming hours, it is most likely that Kaspa is going to give us one more new low in the formation of that wave 5 to complete that 5-wave structure before we can expect a bit of a substantial bounce in the next coming days. So that is all that I'm expecting on the Kaspa chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.